A good dash cam can do more than just record your drive. It can provide valuable evidence in an accident, help protect your vehicle while parked, and give you extra peace of mind every time you hit the road. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best dash cams in 2026, comparing video quality, features, reliability, and overall value. As always, the best deals are linked in the description below. Now, let's get started. On number 5, we have the Nextbase Piqo. Now, this dash cam is a great option for drivers who want something simple, compact, and easy to use. The Nextbase Piqo doesn't try to overwhelm you with endless features. Instead, it focuses on delivering reliable recording performance in a small and discreet package. One of the first things you'll notice is its compact design. Unlike many dash cams that take up a noticeable amount of windshield space, the Piqo stays discreet once installed. That's a big advantage for drivers who prefer a cleaner look inside their vehicle while still having continuous recording protection. Despite its size, the Piqo delivers solid video quality for everyday driving. License plates, road signs, and surrounding traffic remain reasonably clear in most lighting conditions, providing useful footage when you need it most. Another area where Nextbase performs well is ease of use. Setup is straightforward, the interface is simple to navigate, and managing footage through the companion app feels intuitive. You can get everything up and running quickly without spending time digging through complicated menus. Of course, there are some trade-offs. Compared to the higher-ranked dash cams on this list, the Piqo offers fewer advanced features. Parking surveillance capabilities are more limited, and the overall image quality doesn't quite match the premium models designed for enthusiasts and power users. But if your goal is to get a reliable, easy-to-use dash cam that covers the essentials without overcomplicating things, the Nextbase Piqo is definitely worth a closer look. It proves that sometimes the simplest solution is exactly what most drivers need. Number 4, 70mm4 KT800. If getting the most features for your money is a priority, the 70mm4 KT800 is a dash cam that's hard to ignore. It brings several premium-style features to a price point that's much more accessible than many flagship competitors. One of its biggest strengths is the parking surveillance system. A good dash cam should protect your vehicle even when you're not driving, and the T800 does a solid job monitoring for potential incidents while parked. Video quality is another area where it performs well. Daytime footage is sharp, with good detail on surrounding vehicles and road signs, providing clear enough footage for most everyday driving situations. The T800 also includes smart features such as app connectivity, alerts, and driver assistance functions that help elevate the overall experience. For a dash cam in this category, the feature list is surprisingly impressive. Of course, there are a few compromises. The software isn't quite as refined as some of the premium brands higher on this list, and its long-term track record isn't as established as industry veterans like Blackvue and VIOFO. Still, if you want a feature-packed dash cam without stepping into premium pricing territory, the 70mm4 KT800 delivers a lot of technology for the money and may offer more value than you'd expect at first glance. At number 3, 70mm A810S 4K. For many drivers, video quality is the single most important feature in a dash cam. That's exactly where the 70mm A810S 4K shines. The biggest selling point here is its 4K recording capability. Compared to many standard dash cams, the A810S captures noticeably sharper footage, making it easier to identify license plates, road signs, and vehicle details. Whether you're driving through city streets or cruising on the highway, the extra clarity can make a real difference. Another area where this dash cam performs well is night recording. Low-light situations are often challenging for dash cams, but the A810S does a solid job maintaining detail and reducing image noise, resulting in footage that remains useful after dark. GPS functionality is also built in, allowing you to record speed and location data alongside your footage. The companion app is easy to use, making it simple to review clips and manage recordings from your phone. There are some trade-offs, of course. While the A810S delivers excellent recording quality for the price, it doesn't offer the same premium cloud ecosystem and advanced remote monitoring capabilities found on higher-end models like the Blackvue. But if capturing the clearest footage possible is your main goal, the 70mm A810S 4K deserves a spot near the top of your list. It delivers the kind of image quality that can easily exceed expectations for its price range. Number 2, we have the Blackvue DR970X Plus. This is a dash cam designed for drivers who want to stay connected to their vehicle even when they're nowhere near it. One of its biggest strengths is the Blackvue cloud platform. Unlike most dash cams that simply record footage locally, the DR970X Plus allows remote access to your vehicle, notifications for important events, and the ability to check on your car from virtually anywhere. For owners who frequently park in public areas, this added security can be incredibly valuable. Video quality is excellent as well. The camera captures detailed footage during both day and night driving, helping ensure important information remains visible when you need it most. Combined with GPS tracking and robust parking mode features, the overall package feels purpose-built for serious vehicle protection. The DR970X Plus feels refined, dependable, and designed for long-term use. Of course, premium features come at a premium price. The DR970X Plus is one of the more expensive options on this list, and some cloud functionality may require additional setup or subscription costs. For drivers who view a dash cam as a complete vehicle security system rather than just a recording device, the Blackvue DR970X Plus remains one of the most compelling options available. Once you experience its remote monitoring capabilities, it's easy to understand why so many enthusiasts continue to choose Blackvue. On number 1, VIOFO A810S. If there's one dash cam that has been generating a lot of attention among reviewers and driving enthusiasts lately, it's the VIOFO A810S. After looking at its features, recording quality, and overall value, it's easy to see why it earned the number 1 spot on this list. The biggest reason is simple: video quality. The A810S delivers some of the clearest footage you'll find in a consumer dash cam today. Whether you're recording during the day or at night, it captures an impressive amount of detail. License plates, road signs, and surrounding vehicles remain easier to identify compared to many competing models. VIOFO has also built a strong reputation for reliability, and the A810S continues that trend. This is the kind of dash cam you can install, configure once, and trust to do its job every time you drive. You also get useful features like GPS tracking, parking mode support, app connectivity, and advanced recording capabilities without unnecessary complexity. Everything feels focused on practical benefits that drivers will actually use. That said, few dash cams manage to balance image quality, reliability, and features as effectively as the VIOFO A810S. If you're comparing several models before making a decision, this is definitely one you'll want to take a closer look at before making your final choice.